Hello, everyone. My name is Maya, and today I want to share my daily routine as a mom. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can listen, understand, and practice your English. Are you ready? Let's begin. I usually wake up at 5:45 in the morning. I don't use an alarm because my little son Evan wakes up early. Sometimes he calls, "Mama," in a sleepy voice, and I smile. I sit up in bed, stretch my back, and quietly walk to his room. In his room, I softly open the curtains and help him get up. He rubs his eyes and holds my hand. We walk to the bathroom. I help him brush his tiny teeth while I brush mine. Then I wash my face with warm water. It wakes me up and gives me energy for the day. After that, we go to the kitchen. I start preparing breakfast for both of us. For Evan, I make warm porridge with banana slices. For myself, I usually eat whole grain toast with peanut butter. I drink a cup of ginger tea to feel fresh. While we eat, Evan tells me small morning stories, like how he dreamed about flying or racing with dinosaurs. I laugh and enjoy these moments. After breakfast, I get Evan ready for school. I help him change into his uniform, comb his hair, and put his water bottle and snacks into his small backpack. At 7:15, we leave the house. The school is close, just a 7-minute walk. I hold his hand as we walk together. When we reach, I give him a big hug and watch him go inside. When I return home, the house is quiet. This is my time to clean and organize. I start by making the beds, folding the blankets, and opening the windows for fresh air. I tidy the living room, put toys in the basket, and wash any dishes left from breakfast. These small tasks help the house feel peaceful. Around 9 o'clock, I start my part-time work from home. I work as an online customer support assistant. I answer messages, help people with questions, and check emails. I sit at my small desk with my laptop, and I keep a cup of warm water near me. Around 11:30, I take a short break. I prepare a simple lunch, maybe vegetable soup, rice with chicken, or a salad with boiled eggs. I eat slowly and enjoy the quiet time. Sometimes I also listen to soft music. At 12:30, I go to pick up Evan from school. He runs to me with a big smile, and my heart feels warm. We walk home together. He tells me what he learned, who he played with, and how his day went. When we come home, I give him a light snack, maybe yogurt, fruit, or a small sandwich. Then he plays with his toys or colors in his drawing book. During this time, I finish the remaining part of my work. Around 3:30, we both take a short rest. Sometimes he sleeps for a little while, and sometimes he just lies next to me and chats softly. These moments are my favorite.
In the evening, around 5 o'clock, I start preparing dinner. Evan often stands beside me and says, "Mama, can I help?" I give him small tasks like passing me vegetables or mixing salad. We cook together and listen to children's songs. It makes the kitchen feel happy. For dinner, I usually make something simple like pasta with vegetables, chicken rice, or lentil soup with bread. We sit at the table and eat together. I try not to use my phone. I want to focus on him, on our food, and on our time. After dinner, I clean the kitchen, wash dishes, and wipe the counter. Evan helps me put away small items. Then we move to the living room. We play for a little while, read a storybook, or watch a short kids show. Around 8:15, it is his bedtime. I help him brush his teeth, wash his face, and change into his pajamas. His favorite ones are blue with little stars. I tuck him into bed, kiss his forehead, and read him a short bedtime story. When he closes his eyes, I quietly leave his room. After he sleeps, I finally get time for myself. I take a warm shower, wear comfortable pajamas, and sit on the sofa with a cup of herbal tea. Sometimes I watch a few minutes of a show. Sometimes I write in my journal, and sometimes I just enjoy the silence. Around 10 o'clock, I go to my room. I switch off the big light and turn on a small lamp. I sit on my bed, take a deep breath, and think about my day. I feel thankful for my son, for my home, and for the small moments that make life beautiful. Around 10:20, I lie down, pull the blanket over me, close my eyes, and whisper, "Good night, Maya." Then I slowly fall asleep. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more simple English stories. See you next time!
Routine, a set of things you do every day. Example, my morning routine helps me start my day calmly. Usually, something that happens most of the time. Example, I usually drink water as soon as I wake up. Sleepy, feeling tired and wanting to sleep. Example, the baby looked sleepy after playing for an hour. Stretch, to move your body to loosen your muscles. Example, people stretch before they start exercising. quietly, without making noise. Example, she quietly closed the door so no one would wake up. Curtains, cloth that covers a window. Example, he opened the curtains to let the sunlight in. Rub, to move your hand on something. Example, she rubbed her cold hands together to feel warm. Porridge, soft, warm food made from grains. Example, many people eat porridge in winter to stay warm. Organize, to arrange things neatly. Example, she organized her desk to make it look clean. Tidy, clean and in order. Example, the room looked tidy after she put everything away. Customer support, helping people by answering questions. Example, customer support helped me fix my account problem. Pick up, to go and get someone or something. Example, she went to pick up her parcel from the shop. Focus, to give your full attention to something. Example, I need silence to focus on my homework. Whisper, to speak very softly. Example, she whispered the secret into his ear.